train?
No.
Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, Goofy.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Hola, pasajeros. Durante nuestro viaje en tren, para su seguridad, mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de sus coches. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
As far as the attraction.
Well, hey there, Runaway Railroad riders. Engineer Goofy here. For your safety aboard the train, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your car at all times. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
I must have hit that track switch. Goofy, wait! This is so
Welcome, dancers, welcome. Come. It's so nice to see you.
shy.